is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to come and check us out, and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Go ahead and claim your leaf on the family tree. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today. Yes, I know y'all like, okay, didn't you just have your hair like that? Yes, I did. Now, if you watch my video before this, you know why it's like this, okay? But we're just saying, we're going to move right along. What we're doing right now, this video is the unboxing of our August Target Beauty box. How you like that box? Hot, hot, hot. Chili peppers, okay? So, I'm gathering the theme inside. I've taken the plastic off, so I'm gathering the theme inside. It's going to have something to do with these chili peppers. So let's just check it out. Okay, when we open up the box, of course, we have our description card inside, and this one just happens to say, hot for all, okay? And it says, summer may be winding down, but that doesn't mean your beauty routine needs to. If your skin, hair, and nails are in some desperate need of TLC, you're not alone. Okay, so if you like what you see, they have also included a $3 off app this time, okay, where you can go ahead and download it and scan it either online or in the store. So we're going to go ahead and open up our paper and let's check it out and see what's going on inside. Okay, now our first product, we're going to go according to the description card. Our first product is My Beauty Vitamins, and this is beauty inside and out. May help support healthy nails, skin, and hair. Now look, they are trying to get you to take your vitamins by any means necessary, okay? So now we're doing a dark chocolatey bite with rich caramel, roasted peanuts, and a whipped center, okay? Now this says it is gluten-free, vegetarian, kosher, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no added preservatives, okay? I'm telling you, they're trying to make sure that you get your vitamins in. It says only 25 calories per serving, and it has extra strength biotin for your hair. It's an excellent source of vitamin C and an excellent source of vitamin E. Okay? And it says healthy made happy. Introducing your delicious new beauty secret, My Bite Beauty Inside and Out for beautifully strong hair, skin, and nails. Find it in the vitamin aisle. Okay, now this is the very first item in the box, and as usual, I will put the manufacturer suggested retail prices for the full-size items down below, okay? And the second item is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, okay? And this one says intensely hydrating formula infused with Australian aloe, jojoba, and sea kelp. And it helps to transform dry, dull hair from lackluster to lush in just 3 short minutes, okay? So that is item number 2. I'll let you know. Then we go to item number 3, which is by the company OralB, and this is the Precision Clean Interdental Pick. Okay. We used to carry toothpicks or dental floss around with us. However, that is not the case any longer, and this one is a full-size product. There are 50 of them enclosed. Okay, I'm trying to make sure you could see it good. Now, not only is it just a pick, but it does also have a small brush to go in between and clean a little deeper. Okay. Flexible yet strong bristles glide between teeth to help remove food and plaque while gently massaging and stimulating gums to promote gum health. Okay. Then our next item is by, this one is a true sample. This is Herbal Essence. And this is a sample of the Gentle Color Protection Birch Bark Extract Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay. This is the Herbal Essence BioRenew. 0 sulfates, parabens, and glutens, as well as colorants. Okay. Then our next item is Hello Activated Charcoal and Hemp Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. Activated charcoal works to remove surface stains for noticeably whiter, brighter teeth, while farm-grown mint keeps your breath smelling fresh. Okay? I'm loving this packaging too, but okay. And the last item in this month's box is by Dove, and this is the Dove Men+care. Dove Men+care Fresh and Clean 2-in-1 formula with caffeine and conditioning agents. Cleanses hair and moisturizes your scalp so strands feel stronger and more resilient. Alrighty then. So these are the products in our August Target Beauty box. Hot for all. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Now let me just tell you about this Target box. If you like the products that you've seen included in this box or any upcoming box as well as previous boxes, let me tell you how you can get them. If you log on to target.com/beautybox, you can get one for yourself. They are $7 per month, and you get all of these wonderful products. They usually come out somewhere between the 5th and the 10th of the month, and it will be shipped to you, and you'll have them in just a few days. Now, as I said to you before, they do include some full-size products, some of which take the value of the box way over, maybe 2-3 times what you pay. Plus, you get that $3 off any $15 purchase. So, there's no need for a link below. I just want to let you know, just type in www.target.com/beautybox. Now, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.